one of my favorite places to come just to receive, right? To receive grace from my guides is this place on Kuamo'o Bay in Hawaii. And I come here almost daily over the last 12 years that I've lived here. And it's a spectacular place. And when I leave here, I feel filled, filled with love and filled with joy. And it's really great to find a place like that, that you can sort of call your own. It's your own spiritual house, your own church, your own temple, you know. And mine's usually found in nature, and this is my spot. And I just thought I would share it with you today. Hope to see you soon. Bye.